How to fix Discord keeps stopping. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix sense of this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now, as you can see, we'll go and open the settings of your phone. After this, you will go directly to apps. On apps, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and then go directly to storage option. Then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget, the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.